Hi everyone, today we're making another Lego video. It's been in so long just making those annoying cookie videos. It feels so nice to be back with all of you guys with another Lego video. It's been so long that I even touched a Lego video. I only made a couple Lego videos, so please enjoy this one. And we also, I don't even know what I was gonna say, so let's start the video. So first we're gonna need this piece right, this piece, then connect. Let's take this piece, but connect these. So let's do that. Got it. Hold up. So put this on the bottom, and I really hope you guys are following along with me. So after you got this done, and I also forgot to tell you, we're actually making an airplane. So I hope I'm having a lovely time. A Lego shred, a Lego shred, a Lego shred, a Lego shred. Alright, we're using a Lego and our first Lego shred. So you see this? Gonna have to connect. Hold up. I'm gonna show you guys, but I am a little bit more focused on the table, right? So you have to do like this. Like how you do it's pretty easy. And like on it there, you're gonna have to hold up. But you see that red thing? I just put it there. So you have to put it on the wall. It might take a little bit down, but then you need this piece. You're also gonna need it on the wall, so I'm really having trouble looking at the camera on this phone. So challenging. Alright, so you see this bad boy? Gonna have to connect it. Alright, I don't even know why I got that piece there. You need this piece from a burger. Wait, make it. I don't even know. I think I'm just making a plane. Oh, I think I remember. I think we're making a boat. I don't even know how I forgot that, but you're gonna need this piece and that burger piece. So then, wacka wacka gaga wacka. Boom boom. So let's get these two batteries and connect them. And voila, you got your own plane. I mean boat. It can be a plane or a boat. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, you should be liking this, hitting this button, and subscribing. Bye, 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 bye.